So students, today's topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals you already have read and studied and understood in your previous classes. But in today's video, we will deal with a bit of comparatively large or bigger numbers. In between the video, you will have few questions that you are going to solve in your maths classwork copy. So listen very carefully and try to understand. Roman numeral, any of the symbol used in a system of numerical notation based on the ancient Roman system. Basically, from where the Roman numeral have come, as the name suggests, it has come from ancient Roman, very old type of Roman system. It has come from it was used there in their numerical system, in their number system, numerical notation in their number system. Okay, the symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M, which stands respectively for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 in the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system is the number system that we usually use, that you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. When we use, that is the Hindu-Arabic numeral system that usually we use, and the Roman number system has come from the numerical notation, or you can say the number system of Romans from ancient Roman. Okay, now let's see over here. There is a chart like which number in the Hindu-Arabic system stands for what symbol in the Roman numeral. Like you can see, 1 means I, single I, 2 means 2 I's, 3 means 3 I, 4 means I, V, 5 means V, 6 means VI. So similarly, the numbers you already know up to here, up to 9, 10 already you know, even up to 20 you already know. The things which you will deal in this video and in class 5 is 50, that is L, 100, that is C, 500, that is D, and 1000, that is M. Apart from this, there are few rules in the Roman numeral system. By following the rules, we have to write any number which we usually use. We called it Hindu-Arabic system. The number in Hindu-Arabic system can be changed into Roman numeral. As you can see on the screen, 30, it is shown with triple X, XXX, but you will not see triple V, because according to the rule, the triple V or double V cannot come. Few of the symbol can come twice or thrice, but few of the symbol cannot repeat one after another. Simultaneously, they cannot be repeated like that. So for understanding this, first we are going to see the different rules that are being followed in Roman numeral. So you will see rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 and rule 4 with few examples that how to solve it. Listen very carefully and try to understand. We already know 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 how we will write. Let's come to rule number 1. Numeral I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent a number. Repetition of this numeral means addition. Now remember, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Other than this 4 symbol, no other symbol can be repeated one after another. And repetition of the number means addition. If these numbers are being repeated, it means addition. For example, I means 1 plus 1, 2. X, X means 10, we all know. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. C. What is C? C is 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. Similarly, M is 1000. So 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. The numeral I, X and C cannot be repeated more than 3 times in a number. Like 4 is written as IV, not I. It cannot be repeated 4 times. 3 times up to is okay, but 4 times it cannot be repeated. Numeral V, L and D are not repeated. Listen carefully and understand. Numeral V, L and D are not repeated. You will never see this 3 Roman numeral are being repeated. Okay, so this is the rule. Basically, rule number 1 you have understood. With the example it is given. Now come to rule number 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value is always added to the greater numeral. Suppose a smaller numeral, a number which is smaller, is written to the right side of the numeral which is greater, which is bigger than the smaller one, then it is always added to the greater numeral. The smaller number or the smaller numeral is added with the greater one. For example, VII. V means 5 and I means 1. So I, 2 I's are coming to the right hand side of V. So it will be added with the V, means 5 plus 1 plus 1 or 5 plus 2 is 7. You are going to see this in your school also. Class 7 is written like this. Next example, XI. X is 10, I is 1. So again it will be added, as I is on the right hand side of X, it will become 11. Similarly, you can see the other examples also. Now come to rule number 3. A smaller numeral written to the left side of the numeral which is greater of value is always subtracted subtracted from the greater numeral. Now this one is just the opposite of rule number 2. Suppose there is a greater value of numeral and a smaller value is written on the left hand side, then both will be subtracted to each other, from each other. The smaller will be subtracted from the greater one. For example, IV. I is 1 and V means 5. Now because I is on the left side of V, then we will subtract 1 from 5. It will come 4. CD. What is D? D is 500. What is C? C is 100. So 500 minus 100, 400 will come. So if the question comes, write 400 in Roman numeral. How you will write? You will write CD. Okay. Then XC. X. Now C is 100 and X is 10. So 100 minus 10, 90. Now let's come to the next rule, rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. Understand, when a smaller numeral is placed in between two numeral of greater value, suppose there are two numeral which are of greater value and a smaller numeral in between is there, then it is always subtracted from the numeral which is immediately following it. Immediately which is following. Let's see it with the example. XXIX. 10 plus 10. XX means 10 plus 10. IX means 1 and 10. So from that last 10, I means 1 will be subtracted. So 10 plus 10 plus 9. Because 1 is subtracted from the last X. It will be 29. DIX. D is 500, I is 1, X is 10. Again, this IX means from 10, 1 will be subtracted. So 500 plus 10 minus 1, 509. The numeral I can be subtracted from V and X. Remember this, the numeral I can be subtracted from V and X. The numeral X can be subtracted from L and C. The numeral C can be subtracted from D and M. The numeral V, L and D are never subtracted. So what numeral can be subtracted from what numeral or which numeral, this you have to remember. Write down somewhere so that you can remember it properly. Now for example, write 3249 in Roman number system. How you will write? 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 9. We will do it in expanded form. Then 3000 means MMM plus, you have seen how it has been done. Now this is the questions for your classwork. Similar way that you have seen the examples and the explanation you have heard, in the similar way you will solve the following questions in your maths classwork copy. Okay, don't forget to solve it properly. Write down the question first, then the answer you have to write. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you have understood well. Thank you students. See you in the next video.